Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me is ZTE A72S device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So firstly, need to lock your screen, and as you can see, here is a debris, here is dirt that prevents the charging cable from going all into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and then just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.